Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
So, in Bhagavad Gita we find all the solution of the human problems. All the solution. Chaturvarnang maya system gunakarma vibhagasa. Unless you divide the whole human society into 4 divisions, the Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya and Shudra, you must have to divide. You cannot say classless society, that is useless society. Classless society means useless society. There must be an intelligent, high-class, ideal class of men to see here is human civilization. That is Brahman. Chaturvarnang maya system gunakarma. Unless people see the ideal man, how they will follow. Jad jad acharati srestha lokastad anuvartat. The Brahmana is compared with the brain of the body. Unless there is brain, what is the use of these hands and legs? If one's brain is cracked, a mad man, he cannot do anything. So at the present moment, because there is scarcity of Brahminical qualified men in the whole human society, it is not meant, Brahman is not meant for simply for India or Hindus, for the whole human society. Krishna never said that the Chaturvarnang maya system is meant for India or for Hindus or for a class. For whole human society, there must be a very ideal, intellectual man, so that people will follow. Brain of the society. That is the teachings of Bhagavad Gita. You cannot say that we can do without brain. Suppose from your body, if the brain is cut off, your head is cut off, then you are finished. What the hands and legs will do? If there is brain, there is no brain. So at the present moment, there is scarcity of brain in the whole humanity. Therefore it is in the chaotic condition. So, there is need, as it is stated in the Bhagavad Gita, the human society, the whole human civilization must be reformed in this way, that there are intellectual class of men. Naturally, there are first-class intellectual class of men, second-class intellectual, third-class, fourth-class, like that. So, the first-class intellectual men, they must be Brahmanas, in the Brahmanical qualification, and they must be Krishna conscious, then they can guide the whole society in the right way, and there will be no problem. This is Krishna consciousness movement. So, here Krishna says, how to become Krishna conscious? That is for the Brahmin or the intellectual class of man. That is being described by Krishna. What is that? Maya saktamana. The mind should be attached upon me, Krishna. This is the beginning. Somewhere or other, you have to, our mind is attached to something else. Mind cannot be detached. We have got so many desires. So mind's business to become attached. Therefore, I accept something, I reject something. This is mind's business. So you cannot become zero. You cannot become desireless. That is not possible. Our process, just like others, they say, you become desireless. That is a foolish proposal. Who can become desireless? It is not possible. If I am desireless, then I am a dead man. A dead man has no desire. So that is not possible. We have to purify the desires. That is required. Purify the desires. Sarvopadhi vinirmuktam tatparatena nirmalam. This is called purification, nirmalam. Tatparatena. Tatparatena means when God conscious, Krishna conscious, then desires become purified. So we have to come to the point of not desirelessness, but to the point of purified desire. That is point. Therefore, here it says, Maya Sakta Mana. You cannot make your mind desireless, but you fix up your mind upon me. That is it. Maya Sakta Mana Prartha. This is the yoga system. This is called Bhakti Yoga. And this is called first class yoga. That is described in the Bhagavad Gita. That yoginam api sarvesam madgata antaratmana. The yogi, the first class yogi, yoginam api sarvesam. There are different kinds of yoga system. But the person who has accepted this bhakti yoga, he is thinking of me always. Just like these boys and girls, they have been taught, always thinking of Krishna. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. So if you read Bhagavad Gita and chant Hare Krishna, immediately you learn the whole science, how to become attached with Krishna. This is called Maya Saktamana. Maya Saktamana Prartha. Yogang Junjan. To practice yoga. This is Bhakti Yoga. Madasraya. Madasraya means under my direction or under my protection. Asraya.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare